ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Donnie at Belle may soundtrack lunch at exclusive fan meet for tayo sa wakas. Another abangan na naman tayo for our Don Bell. Bukod sa promo events ay magkakaroon nga ng soundtrack lunch at exclusive fan meet ang Don Bell. Ayon dito sa post ng Star Music PH, handa ka na bang marinig ang musikang magdadala sa atin sa wakas? Samahan sina Donnie at Belle sa Tayo sa Wakas soundtrack launch at exclusive fan meet. May 8, 2026, 7pm at Quezon Club Soler Resort North. Pre-sale for Soler Rewards members April 21 to 27 at ang general sale naman ay ngayong April 28. 11 a.m. Narito nga ang ticket year of Soler Rewards member price at ang kanilang mga perks sa SBIP, BIP, and regular. At narito nga ang glimpse sa venue. All tiers come with an exclusive meet and greet with Don Bell as per ABS-CBN. The space is limited to only 100 guests, so it's going to be intimate and special experience. Kaya naman, chance natin to experience tayo sa wakas in a whole new way. At ayun nga dito sa post ng Belovers Official, this is your chance to experience tayo sa wakas in a whole new way. Join us for the Tayo sa Wakas. Join us for the Tayo sa Wakas soundtrack lunch with Donnie and Belle, an unforgettable night filled with music, moments, and memories you won't want to miss. Imagine seeing them by close, meeting them, and taking home exclusive merch. This is more than just an event. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience for every Dumbbell fan. Limited slots only, so don't wait long. Secure your tickets now and be part of this special night. See you there, Belovers! Ngayon pa lang ay marami na nga mga bablis ang kumuha ng naturang tickets at sobrang excited na nga ang lahat para dito. Kaya naman yan ang ating pagkakaabangan. Stay tuned!